In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a file from OneDrive to your computer PC in 2026. 5 minutes. We'll cover two quick ways: downloading from the web and moving files using File Explorer. Start by signing into your Microsoft account in your browser. Once you're in, open the app launcher, the 9-dot grid in the top corner, and choose OneDrive. This brings you to your cloud files. Click My Files to see your folders and documents. Find the file you want to move to your PC and select it. Then open the More Options menu, usually shown as 3 dots. Choose Download. Your browser will either save the file automatically to your Downloads folder or ask where you want to save it. Pick a convenient location like Desktop or Documents. If you select multiple items or a folder, OneDrive will bundle them into a single zip file. After the download finishes, right-click the zip and extract it to use the contents normally. If the download seems slow, wait for it to complete before closing the tab. That's the web method, simple and consistent across browsers. Now, here's the alternative using File Explorer, which is great if you use the OneDrive Sync app on your PC. Open File Explorer and look for OneDrive in the left-hand sidebar. Navigate through your OneDrive folders just like any other folder. To move a file to your computer, drag it from the OneDrive folder and drop it into a local folder such as Desktop, Documents, or another drive. This moves the item out of OneDrive and onto your PC, meaning it will be removed from the cloud. If you want to keep a copy in both places, hold the Control key while dragging to copy instead of move, or use copy and paste. A few helpful tips here. If you see a small cloud icon next to a file, that means it's online only. When you move or copy it, Windows will download the file first. Wait for the green check mark before opening it. If you're moving a large number of files, give it time to complete, and consider pausing OneDrive Sync temporarily if you don't want changes syncing back immediately. That's it. Use the web download when you just need a one-off file quickly, and use File Explorer when you prefer drag and drop control. When you're done, check your downloads folder or your chosen destination to confirm the file is exactly where you want it.